Introducing the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.